Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have an opening of a doll that I could not wait for it to get here. I had seen it on J Dolls UK's channel, one like it, not exactly what I bought. And I went immediately to AliExpress and ordered one. I mean, immediately. Then I told Tina, get to Jay's channel, Tina from Tina's Reborns, and look at this doll. She bought one, and hers got to her faster than mine got to me. I'm excited. The doll in this package, to me, looks like if this doll, which you all know, I love troll dolls. I have a huge collection of troll dolls. In fact, at one antique store, I bought over 100 to add to my collection. I have trolls, I have dolls in every room of our house. Every room. I think we have a Blythe in every single room. And I have trolls throughout my house, but I don't have my whole collection out like I used to. It might have gotten too big. Anyway, I love my troll dolls. She is a troll that I had wanted for years. I couldn't believe it. We walked into an antique store and I found her and I couldn't believe the price. I mean, I wanted to go pay for her immediately before they put it a 100 in front of it. Just thrilled. So let's see what we have here. J Dolls UK. If you don't watch her channel, I'm sure you all do. She has a great channel. Jay was the first person I ever did a collab with, and that's been, woo, she did not fall. You did not see that. Stand up, sweetheart. Let's get you some more balance. I guess pull this way, move. Yeah, she's articulated, by the way. And she usually stands really well. Isn't that cute? Little thumb in her mouth.
You probably bumped her a little bit.
I probably did. Anyway, Jay's channel, fantastic. She has all kinds of dolls. I mean, if they make it in a doll, she either has it or it's on its way to her. Jay used this foam to make patterns for her doll like this. I watched her yesterday. She made a little elf hat using this. So if you do order these dolls, not only can you reuse this for shipping, but you can reuse it for making patterns when you're wrapping it around the doll for a dress or a skirt or a hat or shoes or whatever. Oh my God, she's so cute. Wow, look at this, a reusable large size zipper bag. Well, that's fantastic. Oh my God, she's so cute. Oh, she's like rubbery. Look at this. Look at this doll. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Let me come around. This little four-toed, look how well they blush those. Oh my God, that's really, really cute. Four-fingered, rubbery. Look at that. Oh my God, she's so cute. Girl came in this little outfit. Oh, even her belly and her nipples are blushed. Look at her little rib cage. Oh my God, she's so cute. Her arms are a little loose. Not really though. Let's take this little hairnet off and see. I, of course, got the red head. Oh, look at that face. Those glass eyeballs. Oh, she is adorkable. Oh, she's cute. Look at the ears. Have you seen ears this large, this cute? And look, they move. I bet you could pierce those for me, Darren. Oh, she's cute. There will be collabs going on, I guarantee you, with this doll. She is approximately 16 inch. That's what I was saying about the Welly Wisher boy. One thing I wanted to point out that some people don't know if you have a doll that has the bottom of their foot that is detailed, like this one, they're supposed to be barefoot. I mean, you can put shoes on them. Don't misunderstand what I'm saying. If you have a flat foot where it's just flat, those dolls need shoes. But look at those toes. Oh my God, she's so cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you, Jay. I am so excited. I am so glad you showed your little troll or elf. I guess she's an elf troll. Troll elf? What is she, Darren?
I don't know.
I don't either, but oh, she's so stinking cute. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.